I use stencils printed on a 3D printer to create images, t-shirts, etc. In this video I will show you how to print these stencils. Stencils are designed to produce realistic images using and-blow pens, felt tip pens, markers, acryl colors, watercolors, airbrush, etc. Stencils are reusable, washable. The stencils I created can be single layer or multi-layer. I made a video for each stencil that you can see on my YouTube channel. Under each video there is a link where you can download the stencils. I will describe how to set up the slicer for the correct printing of stencils. Switch from beginner mode to expert. Set the standard print. Layer height 0.2, first layer height 0.3, perimeters to 1. In advanced settings change first layer to 0.52. Elephant foot compensation to 0.05. Now it is ready for slicing. I use PLA material, but you can use another type. To increase the adhesion of the first layer, I recommend using 3-lick spray. The last step is to remove the stencil from the printer. For these purposes, I use a spatula on which I have sharpened the edge. With such a modified spatula, it can be removed very well. See more on the video. You can download my stencils on Etsy and Cults 3D. Simply type 3D printed stencils into the search box. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.